Sal's Garage. Today we are changing the tail lights on the 2016 Honda Civic 10th generation to LEDs. So right now these are incandescent tail lights. They're not LEDs. They still look pretty good, but I want something a little more modern for the Civic. So here's the new tail lights. They're smoked taillights, meaning they're slightly darker. Hopefully it looks good on the car. This will be the first time we ever had tinted taillights. You're going to remove a couple of these little tabs on the liners. All you do is you pop them out with a pry tool, and then you just need to open the top half so that you can get access to a couple of these bolts right here. So specifically this bolt in here, you'll need some light to see it, but it's that one right there. That's a 10 millimeter nut. We're gonna take that out, and then we're also gonna take out these two 10 millimeter nuts right here, and that will release this top tail light right here. This wire, we'll need to unhook that wire. So just push this tab out the top down, and then it comes right off. Got it. Luckily you didn't drop it. Okay, now we take these two off. Got it. So it's a little stuck on there. Probably because it's been never removed before. Check out the difference.
Oh,
This is smoke, but it looks pretty much dark. It looks
dark.
black. Yeah. This is where the wire goes through. Fish it through there. Place the stud through here. Start with these screws, the black ones. Thread it in by hand. Nice and smooth. And then we're gonna do this one. Don't drop this one, please. I'm telling that to myself. Alright, so I'm looking for that stud right over there. Please don't fall.
Need light.
Real men don't need light.
You do.
We just guess.
No, you don't.
Oh, that's already not good. It's not threading in. So. Yeah, I wonder why it's not going in. Oh, got it. Okay, it's going in now. And let's go ahead and tighten these ones. Same thing. Not too tight, just snug. It's not bad, actually. I was assuming there'd be like some gaps, but actually it's not bad. There's the difference. So it is a little more smoked. I think actually it looks better. This is your outer tail light, the bigger one, and it's actually really easy. It's just a Phillip head screwdriver. This is a Phillip head screwdriver. So unscrew here. Use a trim tool and pop it out. Two. Okay, so now what we need to do is remove each of these sockets and then transfer them over here. So let's start with this one here. I'm gonna transfer to that. Remove the bulb from it. And I have gloves on so that I don't mess up the bulb if I want to reuse that. Then you can connect this to your wire over here. All right, so that's in. Get in place. There, so that's ready to be plugged in. Now we got to take this one and transfer it over here. All right, that's on. Okay, so we've got all of our sockets transferred over, and as you can see, our old bulbs are right here. I'm gonna save these in case I need to go back to stock. Let's go ahead and test fit this on. Yeah, so they actually only fit their respective cords. They don't go anywhere else. Okay. Yeah, see, so that's, okay, so this is how we have it. This is the only way they would fit, like so. Before I even bolt it in, I'm just gonna test it out and make sure the lights are working before we even do anything else here. So let's come down slowly. comparison of each side. So the right side is the fancy new one, and look at the left side. Slightly less bright. Turn signals?
Not the back, only the sides.
Huh?
No.
Oh, okay. So when this specific light doesn't turn on, you need to flip the connection. So I'm gonna flip it and see if that fixes it. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, here, can you do a fair comparison? All right, so close up of each. Upgraded new sequential taillights, so much cooler and modern looking. Old school turn signal, not as good looking. Yes, I got it. Yeah, it looks so good. As you can see, at first there was no turn signal, there was no reverse light, there was nothing. And the reason why is because the connection to the bulb housing was flipped. So whenever you're working with LEDs, if they don't work the first time, chances are you need to flip them around to get the correct polarity of negative and positive. So I flipped them around and it fixed the issue. So don't panic if your lights are not working. Just flip them. Okay, that's one side done. Now we just need to do the other side. If you're interested in this product, I'll have a link in the description for you guys. I recommend it, highly recommend it. It really looks good on typical sedan Civic 10th gen. Spices up the rear, makes it look more modern. But truly very happy with this mod. So give it a try too. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Take care now.